Hi, I know you guys were expecting Mika today, but this is Jackie and I'll be doing her voiceover. Okay, so we're gonna cut the cap pieces that are hanging off because it's not needed. Okay, we're going to take the Got To Be freeze spray and spray it on her hairline so that we know that the cap is tacked down to her forehead. She is going to take the blow dryer and the end of a rat tail comb, press it down to help it stick. This frontal is from my sister's company, Majestic Glam Gang. It is a 18-inch body wave Swiss lace. Okay, so take some 91% alcohol, clean the hairline before you apply any type of glue. The adhesive that she is using today is Ghost Bond. You will need to apply 3 layers of this and make sure they are an inch wide. You see how far back she's applying it? Alright, you want to take this smoothing tool or a comb and smooth it out and make sure that it's flat. Make sure that each layer dries clear before you apply another one. Here she is applying the second layer. After you apply all 3 layers and it is clear, you can now apply the frontal. Now you are going to use the comb to press the lace into the adhesive. Now we're going to be using the nylon thread and the needle to sew down the frontal. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start from the middle and go left. Go back to the middle, sew right, never ear to ear. Alright, we are going to speed up the sewing process. If you would like to see a detailed video, it is going to be in the description box down below.
30 hertz straight up, straight up, straight up.
Right here, she is going to be cutting the ears out and tacking it down. Now you want to take the foam wrap and use it to set the hair in place. She also uses the foam to set the baby hairs in place. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.